Welcome to Golden Rule, your trusted HVAC experts. Today we've got something special to share with you. The R962V Endeavor Line Achiever Plus Series gas furnace. We're here to walk you through its fantastic features and benefits so you can make an informed decision for your home comfort. Let's dive right in, shall we? First and foremost, this furnace comes with peace of mind performance. You get a 10-year parts warranty protecting your investment. Plus, it boasts a limited lifetime heat exchanger warranty. That's quality you can count on. Now, let's talk about quiet comfort. With its insulated cabinet, this furnace offers the quietest operation in a powerful package. Thanks to variable speed airflow technology, you'll hardly notice it's running. Energy efficiency matters, right? This furnace boasts a 96% annual fuel utilization efficiency rating and is ENERGY STAR certified, which means exceptional energy efficiency savings. Last but not least, comfort. It offers a 2-stage heating operation for precise comfort control. With a variable speed motor, you'll enjoy consistent comfort throughout your home. So who's this furnace perfect for? Homeowners looking to reduce utility bills, those dealing with hot and cold spots in their homes, and anyone planning to stay put for 8 to 10 years. Now let's talk numbers. The cost to install the R962V can vary, typically falling between $7,000 and $9,000, depending on your specific needs. In conclusion, the R962V Endeavor Line Achiever Plus Series gas furnace is a top-notch choice for homeowners seeking reliable performance, quiet comfort, energy efficiency, and excellent comfort control. Remember, for all of your home comfort needs, choose Golden Rule. Visit our website today for more information. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay comfortable.